11:16 on the clock. I want to share with you a live look at the skies and the roadways this Thursday. Our tower camera at the University of North Texas. You can actually make out where you are. You know, sometimes we play, which tower cam is it when it's severe weather outside? It's not so severe today, but we are seeing that rain, and we're also seeing things from our downtown Dallas tower camera. And we're keeping an eye on the roadways too as we check in with Marielle and Brianda here at the desk. Again, we've seen quite a bit of issues today.
Yes, I mean slippery roadways all throughout the morning, but I do have an issue to let you know about over in Tarrant County. It's going to affect people heading out for lunch.
I will say this, I know that our grounds are saturated right now, but if you're going to get rain, you want to get rain that's not severe.
Right.
So we're not dealing with high winds, we're not dealing with, heavy hail threats, but we are dealing with some flash flooding concerns.
Yeah, unfortunately. And the good news, though, is that the flood threat has shifted out of the Metroplex and it's more in southeast Texas. Of course, not great for our neighbors. However, it looks like it's improving, and a lot of counties now being really removed from the flood watch. So we see Ellis, Hill, Johnson, Dallas, Tarrant, Rockwall, Collin, and Denton County are no longer in the flood watch. It's more shifting to an southeast Texas flood concern now, but the flood watch does continue for Hunt, Kaufman, Navarro County towards the east, and it's because we could still pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain today. Isolated amounts 3 inches. That's going to be more for southeast Texas. Right now, our Dallas Baptist University camera shows a good picture of what it looks like out there right now. You see the dense cloud cover, not so much in the way of rain, temperatures in the mid 70s. Let me show you where the rain is. It's east of DFW and to the southeast as well. Navarro County still looking at a little bit of shower trying to pop up there north of Corsicana and into Ellis County. Still looking at rain in Henderson County and even some rain across East Texas, Mineola, Sulphur Springs, Bonham, McKinney. Still seeing a little bit of that moisture. This is what we call wraparound moisture. There's a big area of low pressure that's helping bring in rain behind the main line. And that's what we're seeing in McKinney and in Anna. I am not expecting severe weather out of this, but of course, any additional rain at this point could cause some slick spots, so just be careful out there. I'm going to pan out and show you a little bit more of North Texas, and I'm also going to show you the cloud cover. Very dense across most of North Texas. So that light rain continues from Sulphur Springs, Mineola, Gilmore, all of this pushing towards the east. And look at what happens here. Between now and 3 in the afternoon, this shifts to the east and the coverage starts to lower. The intensity starts to lower. The cloud cover does stick around. Something to keep in mind is that we're going to continue to see the rain in far east Texas throughout the remainder of the day. So this is now showing you around 7, and you can see a few isolated pockets of some heavier rain. That's also where we find our coolest temperatures. We'll be in the upper 70s across big portions of northeast North Texas, Mineola at about 79, 78 for the high in Sulphur Springs, 82 in Dallas, 81 in Fort Worth, and our western counties temperatures will be in the mid 80s. It's because it's drier there and because the sun is actually going to shine a little bit longer in this location. So it allows temperatures to climb a little bit more. Either way, we're looking at cooler than normal conditions for this afternoon. Let's talk about the next several days. Friday, a high near 90 degrees. I do think we'll see a little bit more in the way of sunshine. Saturday, a high of 91, 92 on Sunday for Father's Day. Look at this, though. I keep 20% coverage of rain in the forecast. Let me show you why. Friday morning, we could very well see a few scattered showers, mainly close to the Red River and along our far western counties, closer towards the big country. We keep some cloud cover in through Friday morning. I do think by the afternoon, we'll see a little bit of sunshine, and then we could see some thunderstorms in East Texas. So if you're traveling, say 4 or 5 in the afternoon to East Texas, you may be running into one of these. Most of us will stay completely dry on Friday. The threat for severe weather is very low. It's at a marginal level 1 risk, and it includes Wise County towards the northwest. We could see some small hail and some gusty winds. On Saturday, afternoon and evening, we could see a band of rain southeast of DFW. It happens again Sunday in the afternoon and evening, and it happens again on Monday. Very slim opportunity for this. Between now and Sunday, we're picking up less than an inch of rain if you're in the Metroplex. If you're in East Texas, we'll still pick up 1 to 2 inches because today that rain continues. Again, our WFA weather alert day in effect until this evening because of that flood concern for our eastern counties. Otherwise, we're looking at rain chances thinning out, highs in the 90s, and then next week it's looking drier and warmer with highs in the mid 90s. All right,